Yo, what is up, everybody? We are live, but not live, but we live. Okay, well, add me on Steam if you want to. I don't know why my Steam is loading up, but so we're finally live, guys. I actually went live on YouTube. I recorded this video like 3 or 4 times, and it does not want to work for me. Computer crashed last time. Like I'm just over this, but nevertheless, we got some dope content we about to do. So I am about to do a technical analysis with you guys, actual live, in-depth, kind of thorough technical analysis. And this is just how I do it, guys. No means is this like any type of financial advice or just any any financial advice. This is just how I do technical analysis. Yeah, well, that's simple. So dive right into it. Get this out the way. So whenever I find a pair, I go, not always, most of the time, I go monthly. I look at it, I identify the trend. We see that we have a downtrend on the monthly. If you cannot see it, I did the courtesy of drawing you on here so you can see it. I don't know why I turn my head like that, but you can see that we got a downtrend right there on the monthly. Same thing goes on the weekly. It actually correlate pretty good together. So that's a good indicator that it's a strong downtrend. Daily, we have an uptrend. Some people might look at this and kind of get nervous and kind of like, oh well, why is it an uptrend and a downtrend? Well, all this is just price kind of doing like a retracement, respecting this trend line, and it's just gonna make its way back down. That's not always the case. Sometimes price will actually go past your resistance lines and past your trend lines and actually begin to start an uptrend, but in this case it wasn't. It was just price coming to respect this line. Excuse me, guys, if my mouth is too close to the mic and I'm making those popping doop 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 noises. I'm not trying, but price came and it respected that trend line that we got here, so it came back down, and now we're looking at price and we're hoping price is gonna retrace and shoot back down. We can just kind of look at some of our indicators here, and we can see that price actually is some sellers in the market. Price is definitely gonna shoot back down, and that's how I do that. And I mean, that was just price action. And then you look at your indicators. So I got 3 indicators: the MACD, RSI, and then the 200 EMA. You look at your indicators, and your indicators are just more confirmation that price is actually going in the direction that you want it to do. So you drive down to the 4-hour, and then the hour is typically where I'm going to come. I'm gonna actually execute an order on. Daily and up is really just observation, and then I drop down to the 4-hour and then the 1 hour, and that's where I actually find my entry points. So that's literally that. I'll actually go to another. I won't do that one because it's almost the same thing. But Euro USD, same deal, guys. Look at the monthly downtrend. After a while, you won't have to actually draw this stuff. Like I hardly ever draw any of this because just looking at pure price action, like my support and resistance lines, you guys are like, well, where are they? Well, sometimes I do them, sometimes I don't. If it's like a really obvious spot, I won't do it. Like here, this is an obvious line of like some type of support, so I wouldn't draw it. Sometimes I do, but it's easy for your chart to get really clogged up, so I usually just kind of weigh them out by value and whichever one hosts the most value. So downtrend, weekly, downtrend, daily, downtrend. So we're gonna look at price, see prices. So price actually did something pretty interesting in this one, and I'm gonna tell you. So we have our trend line here. You can see our this is our primary trend. So these up here are going to be our primary trends, and then on your 4-hour low, these are like your secondary trends, and then at the bottom is your minor trends. So our secondary, primary, semi type of, I'm gonna call this a secondary trend because it's making its way up. But as you can see, the secondary trend was starting to kind of create this type of uptrend here, and some people might have gotten the market thinking that price was actually going to keep making its way back up, which it didn't. Now it would make a lot of sense if people thought that price would actually come here, go back up, come down, and kind of just wiggle his way out in like this little channel until price shot in either direction. I totally get that. But what price decided to do was actually boom first and break through this little trend line here. So now what I'm expecting price to do is to actually do some sort of retracement and come back down here. And I would do, like I said, a buy limit, maybe a buy stop around here, come in, and that's about a good 38 pips. So, I mean, proof is in the pudding, guys. We know the ultimate trend. We know the main direction of the market, of this currency pair and what it's doing. So we want to, if we're swinging, if we're day trading, if we're anything, honestly, we want to go short. For scalping, you could definitely go long, but for the most part, we're going short. Let's check out another one. I think, was this the one I actually went? No, I had one in here that actually went. I was wrong on it. Actually, it was about like a $60 loss. So I actually wanted to show you guys that one, but I think I might have cleared the chart. But it was like a $60 loss, and I really wanted you guys to see that, just to know how transparent I am with my trading and that, we are not making this stuff up. This is my real analysis. This is how I trade. This is these are the things that I do before I enter a position. So same deal, guys. Monthly downtrend, you can see it. Weekly downtrend, you can see it. Daily, downtrend. Cool. So come over here and we do our most recent price. We don't actually need to go all the way back until there and there. It was just our most recent piece of price. And as you can see here, we had a downtrend going on, lower lows, lower highs. It's respecting this line quite a bit, and then boom, it respected it, and then price is even going to go down a little bit more. Probably can actually clean that up a little bit. And yeah, wait on price to go down a little bit more, respect that line, and then just continue to shoot back down. So that's actually, that one dropped down to the 4 hour. Same deal. You could really see it. It's really clean on this one. And 1 hour, boom, same deal. NZD, was this the one that I wanted to show you guys? This one's actually quite interesting because it broke this little trend line here, but no, I don't think this is the one I wanted to show you guys. Let's find it real quick. We'll do NZJPY. This is the last one. This is my favorite, one of my favorite pairs, besides besides GBP. So monthly downtrend, weekly downtrend, guys, and daily downtrend. So this actually is a funky market at this point in the chart. It may or may not be kind of hard to see, but we just got a series of downtrends going on, and we're expecting price to make his way back down like so. So as you can see, or you can't see, try to go in here a little bit more so you guys can see a little bit better. Price has just been really dancing in these areas here, so I got these areas highlighted. I was using my Fibonacci retracement, which I don't always use, but sometimes I do. Let's see if I can. That's definitely not my Fibonacci retracement. Alright, guys, let's not even do too much. I wanted to show you guys actually, but I start bringing up all type of other crap. So this is the Fib, guys, and the Fib is a tool that traders use for figuring out where price is going to retrace at. It's made up of the golden ratio is what they call it. But I mean, even now you can just see slightly, because I got these so zones up, but you can just kind of see price dancing on some of these lines here. And this is just the retracement. This is the ratio. This is a guesstimate of where price could potentially retrace at. So that's how I figured those out. Obviously, all of this wasn't here when I did this, because I drew those lines a while ago. But that's what that tool is for. You can actually watch a video on it. I'll probably do a video to show you guys, explain it a little bit better. But see if we can get that off the chart. Or maybe we can't. Maybe it's like there forever. But yeah, so prices is dancing in these areas, and it's coming. Prices. What's just the 4 hour, right? Yeah. So this one's okay. So price could make his way all the way back around this area, and then decide to shoot back down. Or if you guys didn't notice, you might notice now. Price is starting to form like a M. See these? If I can zoom in, not like that. But you can see prices starting to make an M. So you got boom, respecting this area beautifully, boom, and we can look for price to make its way all the way back down. That's just a guesstimate, guys. 4 hour, same dealio, lower lows, and boom, it could just make its way back down. This is where price just opened up, and you can actually see buyers start to make their way in the market. So this could actually turn out to be something really nice. Other than that, I think that's all the pairs that I wanted to do for this video. We got NZD, Euro JPY, AUD, Euro USD. Those are some of the main ones that we watching. There might be a few more, but those really just the main ones that we keep an eye on. And other than that, guys, I think that's it for this one. Technical analysis. Next time we gonna actually do a live video, and it's gonna be a lot better. You guys can actually comment and just kind of talk about some stuff that you may see in the moment. Actually, I'll try to do that Tuesday. That's when I usually trade, on Tuesday. So you guys can really just see what I'm doing and how I do it, ask questions. I'll try to get that together, because this time live was just acting like a pain, and I really wanted to do this video. Honestly, like, I recorded this like 5 or 6 times. So I'm gonna wrap this up, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you found anything useful, anything insightful, feel free to ask a question about it, comment about it. If you like this video, of course, like it. If you didn't, dislike it. And if you think I'm a cool guy, you want to come back and send me later, subscribe. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you later. Peace. Thanks for watching.